Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video here, I'm going to be talking about how you can clean up your system with Sweeper. So Sweeper, if you don't know, is a system cleaning app. It cleans up some temporary files and some junk on your system. It also cleans up your browser. But I've already got it installed on my Fedora system, but if you don't have it installed, you're going to have to check out my link in the description to get it going. But once you do, you can open it up and we can get started. So there are a lot of different features here. So you can clear cookies from your web browser, you can clear favorite icons, web history, web cache, form completion entries, and all of that. You can also clear recent documents, the run command history. So I'm going to clear up my regular system and some of my web stuff. So let's go with web cache. I don't want to clear my cookies or anything like that because I do need my web browser for recording these videos, but I will go with web cache and this one here. But to clean it, you can select all if you prefer to just set everything up, and this will blow everything away and it goes over all of the stuff here. So let's uncheck the ones that I don't want. And then you can just click the clean up button. And it's going to tell you are deleting data that is potentially valuable. So I'm clean that, click continue. And that's that. You can also just select, we can deselect all of these and we can just run the general one, which will just clean up stuff on the desktop here. And we can just select web browser ones, which will let us clear just the web browser. So that's a pretty quick video. This is Sweeper. Generally, you want to be using it for the KDE desktop like me, but I've used it on other desktops and it does work with the web browsing feature. Doesn't necessarily work with this because as you can read this here, this is generally for some of the KDE stuff, but it does work. I really like this app and I use it once in a while. Just a quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one.